Okay, so now let's use these properties that we just worked on. So if I have an integral from -2 to 2, representing, there's my f of x, there's my area, and I'm going to subtract off -2 to -1. So if I take this away, what am I left with? It looks like I'm left with the area between -1 and 2 under the function f of x. All right, so this is talking about the function f of x, or y equal 3. So that looks like this. So if I'm looking between 2 and 8, I'm looking at this large box here. So the area of that box will be 6, this distance of 6, times the height of 3, so 18. This here is saying find the area under the curve between pi and pi. Oh, well, that's actually 0 because there's no rectangles that can be built. This is saying the integral from 0 to pi is 3. So what happens when I switch the limits of integration? I get -3. All right, so here we're going to look at quantities given to us. So between 2 and 5, this area is equal to 10. Between 5 and 7, this area is equal to 3. So what is the area under the curve between 2 and 7? It's going to be 10 plus 3, or 13. Okay, so this is going to be asking us to do some algebra. Oops, see a little typo here, so let's change that right now. Okay, so match your notes. So here we go. So the area under the curve between 0 and 9 of f of x is 10. The area between 0 and 9 under g of x is 3. So I see f of x and g of x in here. So let's split it up around the addition first. So 0 to 9, 3 times f of x dx, plus 0 to 9, 4 times g of x dx. So now I'm going to take the time to pull the 3 on the outside, the constant on the outside. I'm going to pull the constant 4 on the outside. And now I can see that I can use this information. 0 to 9 of f of x dx, this is equal to 10. So I carry the 3 along, plus carry the 4 along, and then I'm going to use the fact that integral from 0 to 9 of g of x is equal to 3. So this gets replaced with 3. So I get 30 plus 12, or 42. So comparing this statement with this statement. 2 to 5, 2 to 5, 3x, 3t, square root of x squared plus 4, square root of t squared plus 4, dx dt. Nothing is different except for a letter. So this is the exact same integral. So it's going to give us the exact same answer. All right, let's look at this. Area under the curve between 1 and 5 is 10. The area under the curve between 4 and 5, this is 3. So what is the area under the curve between 1 and 4? So if all of the red area is 10 and I take away 3, it'd be 10 take away 3, that gives me 7.